So tell me, why does Daddy go to work every day?
So Mommy can tap on her phone.
Tap on her phone?
Yeah, she taps, and boxes come to the house.
Who are you scared of?
Mom,
Why?
she sees everything like CCTV.
Why do babies get uncomfortable when people try to carry them?
Because we just met you. No hi, no hello, just pick up like luggage.
Fair point.
We're not that's bad habit. That's not a good habit. Please ask me first. If I'm not smiling at you, don't pick me up. Mind the energy.
Who is more scared of your teacher?
Dad.
Dad? Why?
He hides when the phone rings.
Who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
My boyfriend. Do you have a problem with that?
Who is the cutest in the family?
It's just me.
How about daddy and mommy?
They both agree I'm the cutest little one.
What makes your mommy angry?
Daddy. He talks back and wants to be the boss. Daddy works for Mommy. But Daddy's the king of our house.
The king?
Yes.
So he makes all the rules.
No, you have to listen to the queen.
And who is queen?
My mommy. She decides everything.
Can you mimic your mom?
Yeah.
What does she say to your dad?
Honey, I love you so much. You're the best husband in the whole world. Can I use your credit card? So, do you love me? Yeah, a lot. If you had $100, what would you give me? All of it. What if you had $1 million? I still give you 100. Why? Because my love stays the same forever.
Who do you like more, your dad or your mom?
Dad?
Why?
Because Dad listens to Mom.
What does mom do?
She watches TikTok and gives orders.
Who remembers school meetings?
Mom.
And Dad?
Dad remembers only his favorite teacher meeting.
Who is more responsible at home?
Neither.
Neither?
Dad hides snacks.
And mom?
Mom finds them and eats them first. Then they both blame me.
Who wakes up first at home?
Me.
And what do you do?
I wake up Mommy, then she wakes up Daddy.
Oh, yeah?
Daddy says I'm the alarm, but Mommy hits snooze.
So you're 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
5.
Tell me, if there was danger, who would you save? Mommy or Daddy?
Daddy.
Why Daddy?
Because Mommy's the danger.
Are you happy now that you have a new baby brother?
He's okay, but I think the hospital gave us a broken one.
Broken? Why would you say that about your brother?
He doesn't do anything but leak from both ends and ruin my sleep.
If mom and dad argue, who wins?
My mom.
Always?
Dad knows the answer.
Who decides what you eat at home?
Mom.
And Dad?
Dad eats what Mom decides.
Okay, quick question. Who's your favorite, mommy or daddy?
Both.
Both?
Yes. But that is daytime! Because he buys toy snacks and ice cream. Mommy's nighttime. Bedtime stories and hugs.
Do your parents have secrets?
Yes.
Like what?
They have a code word.
What's the code word?
Vacation.
Vacation?
It means we're not actually going. Humans have the worst kids. What do you mean? 18 years, feeding, teaching, paying. Other animals, 1-2 days, done. Birds be like, I hope you can fly or figure it out.
That's actually true! What does your dad do when Mum is angry?
He becomes quiet
Why?
so he can stay alive.
Who's the most beautiful person in your family?
My cat.
Your cat. Why not mom and dad?
Because Daddy kissed Mommy, not me.
Who is the boss at home?
Mom.
Huh. And Dad?
Dad listens quietly.
Do you listen to your parents?
Yes.
All the time?
Only when Mommy says, don't make me come over there.
Let's be honest for a second. Who's really in charge of your house?
Daddy. He tells Mommy what to cook.
Oh, really? What does he say?
He says anything you want is fine.
And then he says, just please don't shout at me.
What does Mom do when she loses something?
He yells at Dad.
Really?
Then blames me.
Who do you run to when you're in trouble?
My dad.
Why your dad?
Because he will beg my mom for me.
Who spends more money at home?
Mommy.
What does daddy spend on?
Food.
And mommy?
Online shopping.
So who is richer?
Amazon.
Whoa! Who loves you more, mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Oh, really? Where is your daddy?
There, the man with the big tummy. That's my daddy.